Hey everyone! Today we are going to be showing you what two 17-year-olds are going to be packing for a 2-week trip. This is my day one outfit, which is an emergency outfit. Is this day 2 or 3?
This is day 2.
This is day 2. That's the day we're doing, I don't know what.
Yeah, I don't either.
Random. We're just gonna be random. That's how this family works. Then this is my Sunday morning. Get it correct. And my favorite one that I'm actually looking forward to for Sunday night, because this is, where is the writing? Nope, okay. Has Jesus the football on it, so my favorite. And then the jeans that go with the capris things. My hiking outfit for day 4.
We're skipping day 5 because it's
in Canada. That's the way of it. This is my Christmas village and German outfit, because God and Jesus and Christmas.
And red.
And red. What's day 7 again?
Travel from Michigan to the house where we're dog sitting.
Day 7, it's a Star Wars. I'm a rebel. That is me. I'm gonna say that I'm careful. So
both day 8s are casual outfits.
yeah, just random, don't really match. Just whatever I feel like.
I mean, you're the one that planned it out.
Hey, it's almost impossible to find a thing that will match this color.
That's fair.
That I
Which
have.
you also picked that pair out.
It was a random color I don't have, and I thought it was red when I seen it. And then gardening, because I like gardening.
What else are you bringing on the trip?
Chocolate.
Which is?
A pillow pet. If I can find the tag.
What do you love most as a teenager about that pillow pet?
It smells like chocolate.
Yeah, that is one of the scented ones, so it actually smells like chocolate
Yeah.
on the heart right there.
Right there.
What else do you love about pillow pets?
They're really soft. They're also really portable. And you can actually use them to help you bring other things with you, like another stuffy, or you can put like a blanket in the middle of it and close it that way and carry more stuff with it.
So what is your one favorite thing about pillow pets?
I think my favorite thing about them is how it can work as both a stuffed animal and a pillow.
But what's the best thing about pillow pets?
The best thing about pillow pets is that if you use our link down in the description below, then you can get an additional 10% off, and that's on any pillow pet, right? Yeah, you can get an additional 10% off of any pillow pet, and you can take your own buddy on an adventure with you. Alright, so day 1, this is an extra outfit to keep in the suitcase just in case. I love Stitch, this is adorable. Day 2, we're either going to be hanging out at our host family's house, or we're going to be out and about traveling around the city and stuff. So I wanted to pack something that would be flexible for both of that. It's just a long t-shirt and leggings. And then over here, we'll be going out to a friend's church while we're there. So packed, dress, tights, shorts, just something comfy. And then in the evening they'll be doing a more casual service. So I packed some jeggings and a long t-shirt to go with that. I thought that was really cute. And right here, this is the day we'll be going up to Canada. Yes.
Waterfall hike, museum, touring, and we'll cross the border.
So, leggings. I find that leggings are really comfy whenever I'm hiking. They're also good for sitting in a car for long extended periods of time. Long t-shirt to go with that. And then skipping over to whenever we go to the Christmas village.
Because day 5 is in the...
Because day 5 is over here. I have a slouchy, courtesy of Mother. A belt. I have this pretty blue dress that a friend gave me. I'm going to be wearing that. And then undershirt, white leggings. I joked with Mom it looked like Elsa. And then
thinks it looks like Leia.
Yeah, Mom thinks it looks like Leia. Give us a comment down below. Which one do you think it looks like? Do you think it looks like Leia, or do you think it looks like Elsa? And then right here we have our going home clothes. I have black t-shirt, and then I have this cute one-piece set. It's really comfortable to sit in, but it's also really good for moving around in, since we'll be having some additional stops on the way home.
And the next 2 are casual clothes for dog sitting.
Yeah, the next 2, these are casual clothes for dog sitting. I unintentionally put butterfly leggings with both of these, but I think that's really cute. I have a long sleeve shirt because I like long sleeves sometimes to chill in, even in the summer. And then I have a short sleeve shirt here. And then, again, I got butterfly leggings. That was not intentional at all. And then I have an extra gardening outfit, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, an extra gardening outfit. We got these really cute tank tops at Bargain Hunt. And sad part is they're not carrying them anymore. But I guess that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for liking, positive comments, and subscribing. Again, go down to that link, check out Pillow Pets, and we will see you all later.